Now we are calling for an exit. We want to exit Nigeria. The Nigeria government has made the Ooni of Ife a herbalist to become the traditional ruler of southern Nigeria, which means Nigeria has been divided into two in terms of tradition. Northern Nigeria is being led by Sadan of Sokoto as the traditional head of the northern Nigeria. The southern Nigeria, the Ooni of Ife, to lead the traditional ruler in southern Nigeria. Who is Ooni of Ife? Ooni of Ife is a herbalist, a chief priest, watching over a shrine in Ile-Ife in Osun State. He's never a king or a chief or a nogi or whatever. From nowhere, he become now the leader of the traditional ruler in southern Nigeria. What a shame, what a disgrace. So we, the great Bini Kingdom, we are not a part of this. This is the last stroke that break the camel's back. Ooni of Ife cannot speak on behalf of the Oba of Bini to the federal government of Nigeria. Ooni of Ife doesn't have the capacity to speak on behalf of the Oba of Bini anything related to tradition, because he's never a traditional ruler, where neither is he born a traditional ruler. So please, I'm calling on all Nigerians, all Edolites, to take note of what the federal government of Nigeria have done. That is why I am calling openly that we should exit Nigeria. The insult is too much. It's all the bloggers, all the news medias, help us to amplify this news that we want to leave Nigeria.
The man said that Bini Kingdom should leave Nigeria. They should exit Nigeria. They should be a separate country from Nigeria, because the federal government of Nigeria made the Ooni of Ife the permanent chairman of Southern Nigeria traditional rulers. The Oba of Bini is the permanent chairman of traditional rulers in Edo State. In Edo State, there are so many tribes there. Tribes that have nothing in common with Bini Kingdom. In Edo State, there are indigenous Igbo communities there. There are indigenous Igala speaking communities there. Esan people are there. They are not Bini people. Yoruba communities are there. Ijo communities are there. All these tribes that I just mentioned are indigenous people. Now Edo State be their land. Why they not make a king from Ibanke community the permanent chairman of traditional rulers in Edo State? Why they not make any Esan king permanent chairman for Edo State? Why they not make king from the indigenous Ijo people where they Edo State as the permanent chairman of traditional rulers in Edo State? The same thing where these Bini people they verse for. Now waiting Bini people they do other people. You are angry that the Ooni of Ife was made the permanent chairman of traditional rulers in southern Nigeria, but you are not angry that the Oba of Bini is the permanent chairman of traditional rulers in Edo State. Wicked people. Bini people will tell you that the Oba of Bini is the only king in Edo State. Which sensible person go even one day for the same country with these Bini people? So you Bini people, now they feel say, if una want stay on our own as a separate country, see other tribes go follow una. This country where Bini people they find, so they want to make sure that Anioma people are in that their republic. They want to make sure that Esan people follow them, Urobo Isoko people follow them, Ijo people follow them, the entire South follow them. And that is why Bini people are online championing a cause called Royal South Republic. He said that the Ooni of Ife is a herbalist, a chief priest who is looking over a shrine in Ile-Ife. That he is not a king, a chief, or an enogie. The Ooni of Ife is a priest. His duty is to look over the shrines that belongs to Oduduwa in Ile-Ife. The Ooni of Ife is a priest king. The Ooni of Ife is just like Ezenri. Ezenri is a priest. If you go to Aguleri, Eze Chukwuemeka Eri is a priest. He's a priest king. Ezemu, the founder of Ubuluku Kingdom and the entire Obolo communities in Igbo land, he is a priest king. So wetin dey give dis Benin people mind say Ooni of Ife no be king? This is why I always say that this set of Benin people don't have sense. They don't have sense. Imagine saying that the Ooni of Ife is not a king. Yoruba kings that you see today that are ruling other Yoruba kingdoms, they bow down to the Ooni of Ife. And this set of Benin people that don't have sense are online saying, the Ooni of Ife is just a priest, he's just a herbalist, he's just a dibia looking over a shrine. Benin people, whether you like it or not, the Ooni of Ife is bigger than the Oba of Bini because he is in that throne with the authority of Oduduwa. Oduduwa gave him the mandate to be the leader of Yoruba race. The Ooni of Ife is not a descendant of Oduduwa. That one we know. When Oduduwa was alive in Ile-Ife, there was a young man that was serving him. That young man is not a descendant of Oduduwa. When Oduduwa was very old, in his dying bed, he gave that young man the authority to be the Ooni of Ile-Ife, to be the leader of Yoruba nation. And after that, the lineage of that young man is the one producing the Onis of Ile-Ife. The Oba of Bini is a descendant of Oduduwa through Oromiyan, the grandson of Oduduwa. Same with the Alafin of Oyo. Those kings in Yoruba land, they know this history that I'm talking about now. They know that the Ooni of Ife is not a descendant of Oduduwa, but they worship him, they bow down to him because they know that Oduduwa gave him the mandate to be the leader of Yoruba nation. Wetin dey give these Benin people mind to dey talk say Ooni of Ife no be king? Do you know what it means to be a priest king? You know wetin be priest? He said that the Ooni of Ife cannot speak on behalf of the Oba of Bini, that he's not a traditional ruler or a born traditional ruler. Whether Benin people like it or not, the Ooni of Ife is bigger than the Oba of Bini as far as Oduduwa nation is concerned. Other kings in Yoruba land are not complaining. The Alafin of Oyo did not complain. Yoruba people did not complain. Why is it that Benin people whose ancestors are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife are the ones complaining? If you understand history, you will know what I'm talking about. You want to put the Oba of Bini above the Ooni of Ife, his father. Bini Kingdom, you people will remain in Nigeria. You go nowhere. When His Royal Majesty Igwe Lawrence Agubuzu came out in the presence of Tinubu, Ooni of Ife, and other traditional rulers in Abuja and told them that there is nothing like Southern Nigeria Traditional Rulers Council, that Igbo nation have their own traditional rulers council, that we do our things in our own way. When he was saying it, why is it that no Bini chief came out and said the same thing? Abina go talk say if Oba of Bini no go, say he not send any representative from Bini Kingdom to go that place go represent am. If to say the Oba of Bini send people wey go represent am for that Abuja, why is it that those people did not come out to speak on behalf of the Oba of Bini? Now online una get mouth to talk, but if una reach where una go talk, una no go fit talk. We want to leave Nigeria. Come leave now, make federal government of Nigeria see. If they not go pack all of una, lock una put inside cell. What His Royal Majesty Igwe Lawrence Agubuzu said there, he said it on behalf of Igbo nation. And if you look well to what he said, he also said it on behalf of South Traditional Rulers Council. He spoke in defense of the Southeast and also in defense of the South. Yet, you go see so many mumu from other tribes for Southern Nigeria go see they talk say Igbo nation is their problem. Person they speak on behalf of una own kings for South. Yet, tomorrow una go see come and talk say Igbo is the problem of Southern Nigeria. Igbo is the problem of Nigeria. Why is it that no king from the South came out to speak? We want to leave Nigeria. Bini Kingdom, let's get prepared to leave Nigeria. Una think say self-determination na from out. You go just wake up one morning and talk say you want start to dey agitate for Ile-Binu Republic. That thing where British do una for 1897, una go know say that one small. Wetin Nigeria government go do una? No be that Bini Kingdom, 3 local governments. Now one form country. Why the man not come out to Nigeria, start to the protest, carry Bini flag, they protest, say, we want Ile Bini Republic, we want to leave Nigeria. Make it country am now. I be teaching that today for Italy, they talk rubbish. The Oba of Bini suspended the kings of Ibanke people. People that don't speak the same language with him. He suspended them. No Bini person come out to talk say wetin their Oba do no good. Say their Oba they find trouble. They not talk like that. Instead, all of them support their Oba. Ibanke kings not talk say they won't be the permanent chairman of traditional rulers where they do state o. They just talk say they no longer want to be slaves to the Oba of Bini. Now Oba of Bini suspend them from their own throne. And Ibanke kings started saying that they no longer want to remain in the Edo State, that they want to leave Edo State and join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. Bini people start to diverse. So many Bini people are online backing, saying that Ibanke people must remain in Edo State, that the land of Ibanke people belongs to the Oba of Bini. Land where Ibanke people don't occupy since their history. Now in Bini Kingdom, they thought say, now them get their land. You don't want Ibanke people to leave Edo State, but you Bini people want to leave Nigeria. You people must be joking. Every Yoruba descendant not supposed to diverse, say they make the Ooni of Ife the permanent chairman of Southern Nigeria Traditional Rulers Council. Now only Bini Kingdom diverse. Upon say Bini Kingdom, now of Yoruba original, now Yoruba people now born Bini Kingdom. Yet, now them they pay pass because they want their Oba that is a subordinate to the Ooni of Ife to be the permanent chairman of Southern Nigeria Traditional Rulers Council. Bini Kingdom go remain for Nigeria. You go nowhere. As suffering in Nigeria, so una go dey Nigeria, follow all Nigerians, they suffer that suffer. The Ooni of Ife is the permanent chairman of Traditional Rulers Council. For now, your Oba is under him. If una like, una cry from now till tomorrow. The Ooni of Ife is bigger than the Oba of Bini. And there is nothing you Bini people can do about it. Ishe Gwale.